Today we want to count number of whole years, months and days between start and end date. We even want to count the difference within a month. For example, we want to count the number of days within a month, basically. So for example, we have a start date 7 and here end date is 18th of the month, day of the month. So the difference between those dates should be 11 days using this parameter. And when we want to count the number of whole months in the year, we should just use the different parameter, and we want also count the numbers of days, the difference of number of days within a year. And to calculate all of those, we just need one hidden function, DATEDIF, and it's a simple function. It just needs start date, end date, and this parameter we are talking about. And we can just write our function, start writing it here, and we need to write it by ourselves because Excel won't give us any hints. When I write whole name, you can see it sees this function but don't see arguments for this function. So we have to remember, first is start date, and I need to lock it on the column. Then is end date, once again lock it on the columns, and then the parameter, and I have all parameters possible for this function in the headers, so this time I need to lock on the rows, and I can just put this formula in the cell, copy it down and copy it to the side, and we have the number of whole years, months, days between those dates, and number of days within a month. So 7, 18, 11. First month, fifth month, 4 months difference, whole months within a year. We aren't looking at a year, we are looking only on months, and it's probably 142 days between this day within a year. And one small thing, when we replace values, so when we put start date as an end date, we will get a num error.